Obviously have a PC that runs Windows, a USB and a PS4 or PS5. PS5 cheats are not available yet. PS3 is brute force save data. OBS was being stupid, I apologize. Step 1. On the PlayStation 4 turn off Wi-Fi. Be offline. Step 2. Copy save data to a USB. Offline. Step 3. Put USB in PC and load Save Wizard. For Save Wizard install and etc. Find another video, this is not for that. Step 4. Select the game error cheating and apply cheats and save. Step 5. Put USB in PS4, offline, and download from USB to system. Step 6. Start game and load save you cheated on, offline. Step 7. Save game, close game and turn Wi-Fi on if you want. Step 8. Load and resave game if you're playing online or with Wi-Fi so you don't get banned. Step 9. Enjoy and subscribe if it helped.